You wake up, grab your phone, and the stress hits immediately. You're doom scrolling through alerts about the rising AQI in Delhi, the anxiety of campus placements, and whatever toxic rumor is currently blowing up your WhatsApp groups. ScienceX just released a massive 30-topic data drop, packed with heavy academic jargon. We are translating these findings into a direct vibe check, identifying the specific shifts that dictate how your world functions. Right now, 42% of people are deliberately limiting their use of AI. If you feel tech fatigue, the data validates your burnout. Most people now feel the risks of these tools outweigh the benefits. Biology offers a physical countermeasure to this digital fatigue. Recent studies confirm that exposure to bright daytime light directly leads to significantly better, more restorative sleep at night. Mastering these scientific principles builds a defense against a volatile world. It allows you to navigate and reclaim control over how global shifts dictate your daily routine. The global climate vibe is officially yikes. El Niño is currently powering a chain reaction of extremes, from massive typhoons in Taiwan to the intense, suffocating dust storms that recently blanketed parts of China and the US. These shifts have local consequences. The same global engine is intensifying the brutal heat waves in North India and is powering wilder Mumbai monsoons that leave the city's infrastructure underwater. In the Amazon, heat and drought are stressing trees to the point of hydraulic failure. During these strong El Niño events, the forest temporarily stops absorbing carbon and begins releasing it, switching from a sink to a source. Higher up, retreating glaciers are creating hundreds of small, unstable alpine lakes. These are frequently overlooked in hazard reports, but they pose a direct risk of catastrophic flash floods for mountain regions like Uttarakhand. On the tech side, the $26 billion surge in AI chip demand is hitting a physical wall. These manufacturing plants require massive water resources, directly threatening the stability of drought-prone tech hubs like Bangalore. Even the software is showing bias. New experiments with AI interview avatars reveal that job rejections feel significantly less fair when the avatar's skin color differs from the applicant's own. Unchecked technological expansion and climate volatility are working together to exacerbate resource scarcity and social inequality across the global south. But there are wins. Engineers are now using mushroom waste to create compostable circuit boards. These boards can physically decompose, offering a way to clean up massive e-waste hubs like Delhi's Selampur. Using simple resin encapsulation to protect quantum dots, researchers have stopped high-performance LEDs from degrading. The graph shows the result, a 5,000-fold increase in the lifespan of blue displays. Future phone screens won't suffer from typical dimming and color shift. AI is finding positive niches too. New React tree agents are now better at managing complex household chores, while specialized LLMs are being trained to automatically write exploit code that identifies and patches software vulnerabilities. We're also seeing environmental victories. Deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon has hit its lowest level since 2016, proving that consistent policy can actually slow down ecological clearing. While the macro tech industry creates global challenges, these hardware innovations and targeted AI efficiencies are building sustainable solutions for our everyday devices. Now for the bro what category. Neurologists have discovered that cannabis use can alter brain glutamate levels, which is now directly linked to a significantly higher risk of psychosis. In biology history, simulations of virtual grazing animals have finally solved the 150-year-old mystery of Charles Darwin's hillside steppes. The mystery steppes are formed by the movement of animals, not geological shifts. Deep underground, AI modeling is now identifying hidden, shallow creep movements on the San Andreas Fault. These right lateral slips systematically precede larger seismic activity, giving us a better window into earthquake timing. Look at this pulsar, known as the lighthouse. X-ray measurements show its magnetic field is perfectly aligned with particle flow, confirming that high-energy particles are escaping along galactic field lines. Astronomers also just observed cosmic drift in real time. They measured the exact moment neutral gas decouples from magnetic fields, allowing gravity to take over and collapse the gas into a new star. Back on Earth, China just successfully recovered a rocket first stage at sea. This marks their entry into reusable launch technology, putting them in direct competition with SpaceX. From tectonic faults to deep space nebulae, human understanding of the universe is expanding at a staggering, almost chaotic speed. The core tension is clear. The physical universe is shifting, and AI is dominant, yet our legal frameworks are falling behind, struggling to adapt to rising tides and changing shorelines. But we are developing the tools to anticipate the chaos. The new MAGE model can simulate solar storms 1,000,000 miles away, predicting exactly how they will heat the atmosphere and interfere with our GPS and radio networks. We are even taking control at the nanoscale. New ligand engineering strategies allow us to manipulate atomic structures to create highly active catalysts, making chemical reactions more efficient than ever before. The world is undeniably chaotic, but tracking global science offers the foresight needed to predict and survive the coming decade. Step out into the sun and stay curious.